So I'm at Inishmaine Abbey near Ballinrobe, apparently a 13th century Augustinian house, I think. But what's nice is it still has its gatehouse in a reasonable condition, apparently 15th century. So this would have guarded the entrance to the monastic site. And we're on the inside here, but there's a curious thing in it. So this is the inside door, right? We go through to the outside door. Right, and now we're looking in from the outside of the site, okay. And you come in through the door and you see the usual, now I don't know the language at all, the terminology I should say, but you see the usual hole here. Right, and it's same on the other side, except on the other side it's been blocked. And they're both inside the arch. Now I've always assumed that they're, obviously something to do with the door, I guess. But there's a curious thing here, which is this little hole here, look. So this is actually inside the arch from the outside. And it penetrates in through the wall there at a 45-degree angle, I guess. And it penetrates through all of this wall here. And it comes all the way to the base of the stairs up to the top floor of the gatehouse. So there it is. You can see the light in at a distance. I've no idea what that is. Perhaps somebody does. It must be at least 2, if not 3 meters long at a 45-degree angle to that wall and to here. Now, if I just looked at this by itself, I'd say it's a drain or something, right? So that stone has been carved, obviously.